How much does it cost to fix a windshield? Costs for windshield repairs vary by location, auto glass service provider and damage type. Typical prices range from $60 to $100 for a single chip, and discounts may apply when fixing additional chips on the same windshield. Crack repair prices are similar, although fixing a longer crack may cost $125 or more. Can a crack in a windshield be repaired? Whether it's 2 or 10 inches long, or somewhere in between, a crack has always been a primary reason to get a windshield replaced. Cracks, both short and long, can be repaired by filling the damage with a special resin. How big can a crack be in windshield to repair it? Windshield repair technology is a rapidly advancing industry, so the ability to repair large chips or cracks changes often and can vary depending on the repair company. Generally speaking, chips smaller than a quarter, and cracks up to 3 inches long can be easily repaired. Should I use my insurance to fix my windshield? Yes, you should use insurance to repair or replace your windshield if it would cost more than your deductible to pay out of pocket for the work. If the deductible exceeds the repair or replacement cost, the insurer will not cover any of it and filing a claim would be pointless. Is it better to repair or replace windshield? According to Glass.com, you should replace your windshield when the glass is tempered, not laminated. The crack is longer than a dollar bill. The crack or chip is deep enough that it went more than halfway into the windshield. What happens if you don't fix a cracked windshield? Though not an immediate danger, if the crack is large, near or touching the edge of the windshield, the glass may have to be replaced and driving the car is not recommended. Driving with a broken windshield should also be avoided whenever the damaged glass impairs the vision of the driver. Is there a way to stop a windshield crack from spreading? Covering the crack with tape can add an important layer of protection until a professional repair service can be provided. Clear tape is recommended for this, but you can also use duct tape if the crack is located in an area where the view of the road isn't obstructed. How much does it cost to fill a windshield chip? The average windshield chip repair cost is $35, with the average cost to fix a chipped windshield or window ranging from $10 to $60 in 2020, according to costhelper.com. Your estimated price depends on the type of chip and its location. How long does it take to replace windshield? Windshield replacements will often take 60 minutes or less. However, we recommend that you do not drive the vehicle for at least 1 hour after service is completed. How much does it cost to fix a rock chip in a windshield? Repairing a single rock chip costs around $70 to $80 for the first chip, then usually $20 extra for each additional chip. The cost to repair most cracks is about the same. Windshield replacement costs considerably more and varies greatly depending on the vehicle. How do I know if my windshield is installed properly? In sunlight, a properly installed windshield should look smooth and unblemished. If any sort of wave or bump seems to be in the surface, it is most likely that there was an installation mistake. It is imperative to make sure your windshield gets installed properly.